Global developments to impact Sri Lanka. Headlines: Global growth projections for 2023 raised. Indian economy to expand on resilient domestic demand. Global warming to breach key temperature marker for first time. The United Nations raised its global economic growth projection to 2.3% for 2023, up 0.4 percentage points from a January forecast. However, it cut 2024 estimates to 2.5%. The agency said that while the outlook for the United States, European Union, and China has improved, growth prospects for many developing countries have deteriorated because of tightening credit conditions and rising costs of external financing. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's main export markets are the United States and the European Union. Higher consumer demand in these regions benefits Sri Lanka, especially its apparel industry. The country's overall exports in the first 3 months of the year fell to $3 billion, down 7% from a year earlier. Such economic growth in the Western Hemisphere is a boon to Sri Lanka. India's economic growth is set to outpace its regional neighbours. The United Nations reports that the subcontinent nation will grow 6.7% in 2024 to be the fastest growing major economy in the world. A resilient domestic demand in the country is to offset higher interest rates and weaker external demand. Impact on Sri Lanka. Accelerated growth in India, now the world's fifth largest economy, aids in Sri Lanka's recovery. India is Sri Lanka's third largest export market at about $1 billion per annum, and more significantly, accounts for about 65 to 70% of Colombo Port's transshipment volumes. According to scientists, the planet is likely to break a key temperature limit for the first time over the next few years. They predict that going over 1.5 Celsius every year for a decade or two would see far greater impacts of global warming, such as longer heat waves, more intense storms, and wildfires. Impact on Sri Lanka. According to the World Bank, climate change will result in a sea level rise, storm surges, and coastal erosion in Sri Lanka, affecting its western, southwestern, and southern coastal belt, where about 50% of the population lives. Additionally, its impact on the country's biodiversity threatens food production, water, and weather patterns. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka. Until next time, have a great day.